You got one, Micah?
Does it look like there's one on?
Yeah, there is. He's swimming. If you see it, watch real slow, and just real slow. If your line goes left and right, then there might be a fish. Keep reeling.
Yeah.
That's how you could tell. See, he's going a little bit to the left. Now he's going to the right.
That's where we see him easy.
Can you see him yet?
No. Can you?
No. Oh. Yep, I see him.
Is he big or
The
small?
baby.
Yeah.
This is like the smallest one. Good job, Micah. Walk a little closer, and then lift it over the lock. Reel the weight all the way to the top of your fishing pole. There you go.
Yeah, this one's small.
Not smaller. That's okay though. Good job.